By the end of this video, you're going to know how to build and sell AI websites to local businesses near you in minutes. And the best part about this is you don't even have to know how to code in order to do this. We're going to walk through exactly how to find businesses that actually need new websites, how to reach out to them, how to fix them, and build them a new website in just one click. So let's dive right into it. Okay, so before I can actually show you the new way and the best way to go through and find local business leads that you can build a new website for, I want to show you the old way of doing this. So the old way, like 3 years ago of doing this, would have literally been, you would have came to Google, you would have typed in dentist, Boca Raton, you would have went through all of these different placements right here, trying to find people that might need a new website. And this is incredibly inefficient. It couldn't have been automated, and it would eat up a ton of your time. Now, the next best way for you to be able to do this came out a few years ago, would actually be coming over to ChatGPT, putting in a prompt like this, find me dentist leads in Boca Raton that don't have a good website. This would then go through, this would begin searching for things, and it would actually display to your results. For example, here are 10 practices that we could actually hit up right here. This goes through the practice, goes through the website, goes through the phone number, goes through the address, goes through the different notes right here. But this doesn't actually go through and really look at anything. So if we come over here like dentistbogaraton.com, we could actually come over here and pull up this website right here. And what we could see is that this is a website that we do need to fix, yes, but we really don't have any other information here, which makes this kind of hard to use. In addition to that, we can see that only a few of these actually reference websites. So like ChatGPT is telling us this, but it's not actually proving where it got that information from. In fact, I think that it just made it up. So the new way for you to actually be able to do this is using GoHighLevel. Because if you come into GoHighLevel right here and come into prospecting, there are two ways that you could actually do this. We could come over here and click on Add Prospect. We could type in dentist right here. We could come to location, type in Boca Raton, Florida, and then we could choose a radius around it. And we could click on search. And this is literally going to come over here and spin up different businesses. This is going to tell us about their online presence, going to tell us what their rating is, what their website is. We could actually go through and we can now add all of these as prospects. And this could actually allow us to add these. So I'm going to add all of these in right here to prospects. And we're going to click on add selected prospects. And now this is actually going to add these prospects and begin generating a report on them. In addition to that, this also gives us the odds that they are actually going to close if we reach out to them, which is pretty incredible. Now, if we come back over here, we'll now be able to see our different prospects right here. We'll be able to see that the prospect is open. We can mark it as won or lost. We could actually look at the report right here. And this is literally going to go through where we can enter in all of their different information right here. We could come over here and we could get all of their other information. We could add in their social profiles. We could add in all of their notes. Now the audit report is still being run, but basically this allows us to have a place where we could have all of their information right here accessible very easily. In addition to that, we'll also be able to come over into Prospect AI right here. And instead of doing that manually, we could actually create an agent that will do this for us. So we could come over here, we can name the agent, we could give it this specialty, we could choose what niche we want to target, we could set our target location right here, we could choose how many leads are actually going to be assigned to this agent right here, and we could choose to have this run however frequently we want, and we could have this go through and set the search radius, we could set the different prospect filters, and this is going to allow us to actually find leads on autopilot that will then be able to go through and build new websites for. And we could see that we could set up the agent details, we could set up the audit preferences, we could set up the lead enrichment, which is going to be how they're actually reached out to. And AI is going to do all this for us. So if I actually come back over here, we can see that this report is now ready. I'm going to click on report, and this literally goes through, gives us a PDF, gives us a report that we could share. And this goes through and gives us all the information that we need here. It gives us the business details, the tech stack, the Google business, website performance, and it literally goes through everything that should be adjusted, that should be changed. So this gives us all of this information that we can then share with our prospects in order to actually pitch them on, hey, this is what we could do for you. Okay, so now that you have that list of leads and you're ready to actually begin reaching out to them, we need to talk through how you're actually going to build out these websites. Now, in order to actually go through and build out the website with GoHighLevel, all you're going to do is you're going to come over here, you're going to click on sites right here, and we could see that we can now build out funnels here, we can build out websites, we could build out stores, webinars. There's so many different things that you can actually build here. Now, I'm going to come over here and I'm just going to exit out of this. We're going to come back over to websites. We're going to click on new site and we could see that we can actually choose from tons of different templates right here. So the example that we've been going with this whole time has been dentist. So what we could actually do is come over here and there are tons of different templates right here that we could set up for one of these brands. So if we come back over here, we could see that we had this website that we wanted to create a better version of. And that's honestly going to be a pretty easy ask because again, we could just simply come over here. And I like this website better right here. We could click on choose template. This is then going to go through. It's going to add in the template right here. And look at how easy this makes it in order to actually build out the website. Now we could come over here. We could actually connect it to a domain if we wanted to once this would be live. But otherwise, we literally just come over here and we change everything that needs to be changed in order to customize this website for this dentist right here. We could see just how easy this is. We could come over here. We could very easily be able to actually add in new elements if we wanted to add things in. We could look at the layers right here and see how things are actually laid out. We could go into the pages, the tracking code, custom CSS, typography, background, pop-up settings, SEO and AI search optimization, and even preview custom code options. So what this is actually going to allow us to do is come in here, we could change this, we could optimize this website, and then guess what? We actually went through and did this incredibly easily. And then we could take what is actually built out here and we could send it to the prospects. So not only are we going to be sending them this report of everything that they should actually be going through and they should change right here. And by the way, we could just grab parts of this report if we wanted to. We could export it as a PDF and we could actually use this in our onboarding email. The other thing that GoHighLevel allows you to do is the work is already done by the time that you're reaching out to them. So you're not only just reaching out to them saying, hey, I want to sell you a new website. You're saying, hey, these are all the things that are wrong with your website. I just went through and I fixed it. Here's the link to a new website. Do you want to buy this? And this is the power of AI because it makes doing the work, one, accessible to anybody, and two, incredibly easy to do and automate and accelerate with the help of AI. And a few other things that I did want to emphasize here. This allows you to customize this website, build this website, change anything that you want without having to know how to code, and you really don't need any experience at all. As long as you could click, you could describe what change you want, this will actually go through and make it. In addition to that, if we come over here and we're going to go back right here for a second, if we come back over into the templates that are actually available, they have templates literally for everything that you could think of. If we click on continue right here, they have it for automotive, for e-commerce, for finance, health and wellness, home services, insurance, legal, marketing agencies, medical, restaurant, real estate, travel and hospitality, literally every type of local business that you could think of. So this tool not only makes it incredibly easy to be able to, one, find prospects, but two, get them set up with a new website. And it does one other thing that I'm going to share with you that's really going to get you excited about this opportunity. Oh, and one other thing that I did want to show you, it's actually pretty cool. If you come into your settings right here, when you're actually building this out, you're going to be able to come down here into labs, click on new. And if we scroll down right here, you're going to be able to turn on brand new funnel AI and website AI. And now what this is going to do when we come back out here, come into sites, come under websites right here, you're now going to see build with AI beta. This is a beta right here, and this actually makes this even better and allows you to create even better websites. We could see right here that it's going to load up that same experience that we saw before, but we have an assist now. So we could add in the niche right here. We could add in the goal of the website. We could add in the target audience, what is actually being offered. We could enter the name of the business, and then this will actually go through and create a custom website. For example, let's come over here. We have Elite Boca Dental right here. So I'm going to come over here, Elite Boca Dental. We're going to put the business niche. This is going to be a dentist right here. So we're going to go with beauty and wellness. Target audience, we're going to do individuals and consumers. And then we're going to be trying to get them to get a free consultation. The goal of the website is going to be to generate leads. We click on generate here. And now what this is actually going to do is allow us to plan, build, modify, change anything, all just by chatting with this AI right here. And we could see this is going to go through all these different to-do items and actually build out this website and this theme and everything that we need based on what criteria we gave it. In addition to that, once you turn it on, if we come back over into the other websites that we've created over here, we can now see that we have this assist right here, we have this build right here, and we could literally just tell it what we want to change and it will run off and change it. Or if we want to select anything, we could actually select this right here. It's then going to show here. And instead of us actually manually inserting all the changes, we could just describe the change that we want and it will run off and make it. Now, before I go through the last step, which is going to be how to actually upsell these businesses now that you've built them out a website, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with GoHighLevel today for free. In fact, if you use the link at the pinned comment below, you're going to get 30 days free access to a free trial. The best part is there's no obligation. You could cancel at any time because this is by far the biggest opportunity for you to be able to capitalize on the AI revolution of 2026. So you don't want to sit on the sidelines for this. So in terms of actually going through and then upselling these businesses, there are two main upsells that I would recommend that you hit them with. The first one is going to be on the website, actually maintaining the website. So that could be you updating things when things change, you hooking it up to WordPress and actually getting blogs out for them, or it could be you setting up funnels for them and beginning to actually run ads. Again, you're going to be able to come back to this report that you have and it literally says everything that is wrong. Maybe it's the SEO that's wrong. You do that as an upsell. Maybe it's the website performance. Maybe it's their online reputation, or maybe it's their tech stack. They don't have all these things added in. You're going to be able to do that from the back end right here. In addition to that, if we come over here under AI agents, this is really where things get crazy with GoHighLevel. And again, this doesn't require any experience or anything like that. You can come over agent templates right here, and they have different voice AI. They have different conversational AI. You could actually go through all the different use cases, all of the different categories right here, and check this out. You could get them hooked up with an all-in-one AI receptionist right here. Or maybe you're doing something with auto repair. They have one specifically trained on that. And we could see that you'll be able to get all these different voice agents set up, and you'll be able to get up all these different conversational AI agents. And then you'll actually be able to really easily come under agent logs right here and actually be able to view and manage all of the different agent logs for all the different websites and all the different businesses that you're working with. So this one tool will, one, help you prospect local businesses near you, two, help you service them by building a new website and getting your foot in the door, and three, continue to expand on that relationship, maintain that relationship, and keep upselling them with different types of AI that you're going to be able to access from inside of here. And if you wanted to, you could actually create your own custom AI agents also to do any type of solution that your client or your prospect might actually want. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I would strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through 5 other AI tools that I personally can't live without. I'll see you over there.